tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine being able to create your own custom designs and prints on a wide range of materials, from clothes to accessories, with ease and precision. That's exactly what the Brother Sublimation Printer and black ink cartridge offer, and we're excited to dive into its features and capabilities. One of the standout features of this printer is its integration with the Artspira app. Powered by Artspira, you can import printing images easily and access a wide range of printing patterns and designs. But that's not all. The app also allows you to convert images into poster-style drawings, giving you a unique and creative way to express yourself. With Artspira, you can create on the go and then transfer your designs to the printer for high-quality output. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and anyone looking to add a personal touch to their projects. Another key benefit of the Brother Sublimation Printer is its ability to help you create ready-made clothes that are truly one-of-a-kind. With the Artspira app, you can design your own custom prints, and then use the printer to bring them to life. The process is straightforward. Simply create your design, transfer it to the printer, print, heat press, and finish. The result is a unique and personalized item that reflects your style and creativity. And with the printer's fast printing speeds, you can quickly show off your custom project in full color. Whether you're looking to create custom t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, this printer makes it easy and fun. The Brother Sublimation Printer also comes with an ink bundle that includes an extra standard yield black sublimation ink cartridge. This is a great value, as it ensures that you have a steady supply of ink to keep your projects going. The ink cartridge is also easy to replace, making it a convenient and hassle-free experience. And with the printer's fast printing speeds, you can produce high-quality prints in no time. In fact, the printer can produce a full-color sheet in just 45 seconds, making it perfect for those who need to work on multiple projects at once. In addition to its impressive features and capabilities, the Brother Sublimation Printer is also incredibly easy to use. The Artspira app provides a user-friendly interface that makes it simple to create and print your designs. And with the printer's compact design, it's perfect for use in small spaces or on the go. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this printer is a great choice for anyone looking to add a creative touch to their projects. In conclusion, the Brother Sublimation Printer and black ink cartridge are a powerful combination that offers a wide range of creative possibilities. With its integration with the Artspira app, fast printing speeds, and ease of use, this printer is perfect for anyone looking to create custom designs and prints. So why not give it a try? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and start creating your own unique designs today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your DIY projects to the next level. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life with the Brother Sublimation Printer.